If you're using content control form fields to create your form, you notice that there's that placeholder text that shows up as a light gray for your users so that they know it prompts them to fill in the form field. But sometimes you don't like that placeholder text to show up, so there is a way that you can hide it, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Be sure and check out the playlist on my channel for creating fillable forms. All right, in this example, I have created a form that uses the content control form fields, and this form field is actually one of the plain text form fields for content controls. I'm going to come up here and select design mode. Then what I can do is highlight that text, that placeholder text, and I want to make sure that I grab that period as well when I'm selecting. And then what I want to do is actually right click once I've selected the placeholder text and select font. This font box opens, and under the font effects, notice there's a box that says hidden. You can select that box and then click OK. Then when you take your form out of design mode, you'll notice that the placeholder text is now hidden and gone. One thing though that you'll want to keep in mind is that your user, when you send the form to them, they may not see that there's a form field there if you hide that placeholder text. Alternatively, what you can do is create your form using legacy tool form fields. And an example of a form with the legacy tool form fields, they look like this with the gray box. And some people want to print the form without that gray shading. The way that you can do that is if you go up to the legacy tool drop down, notice this icon up here that says form field shading. All you have to do is check that box and it unselects the shading on all of the legacy tool form field boxes. So those are two ways that you can either eliminate the placeholder text using content controls or hide the shading on your legacy tool form fields. If you found this video helpful, be sure and give it a thumbs up to like it. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive a notification every time I post a new video. Be sure and visit my website, SharonSmithHR.com. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the section below the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.